After much drama, 2018 national champion Taekwondo Tracey produced the fastest time in the men's 100 meters, but was not the overall winner of the event at the JOA J3's Destiny Series meet at the National Stadium on Saturday. As we hear in this report from Denise Walters, there were creditable performances from several others on the day, including world long jump champion JAHEEL.
Taekwondo Tracey, who lined up in the first heat of 11 in the 100 meters, appeared to have picked the start and was booted out of the race. However, he would make a reappearance in heat 4 and outsped the field to run a season's best 10.15 seconds.
Basically, my focus was basically thrown off by the drone, because honestly that drone is really loud. The big one that is close by the starter. But I mean, regardless of that, I shouldn't have false start. I should have kept my focus, but I shouldn't have lost focus that easy. So it's mostly on me.
MVP's Nigel Ellis was unfazed by the false start as he held it together to improve on the 10.25 seconds he ran last Saturday. Ellis won Heat 1 clocking 10.17 seconds and pocketed the $100,000 prize money, as despite Tracey having a better time, he was not credited with it as he ran under protest. 2019 World Champs long jump gold medalist JAHEEL sped to 10.18 in Section 2, recording the 4th fastest time of the 69 competitors. In the women's equivalent, SHERICKA Jackson ran the fastest time, clocking a personal best 11.02 seconds.
Today I came out here just to do my best, and I think my best was good enough. I left with a personal best. I stumbled a little at the start, but I am happy. I recover well, I finished strong, and I think I am pleased with today's performance.
The women's 200 meters was taken by Stephanie and McPherson in 22.97, while the men's equivalent went to Javon Minzy, 21.02. In the one-lap event, ZANDRION Barnes produced a big run to winning a new personal best of 46.14.
This morning I was very nervous. Coach talked to me and just tell me to rest my own race cause from Caesar haven't been executing well.
While Renisha McGregor continued her good form this season, taking the women's 400 meters in 51.51 seconds. Former World Youth Champion Unique Thompson took the 100-meter hurdles for women in 13.36, while Norman Petersgill was the winner of the 110-meter hurdles in 14.14. 2017 World Champs representative JAHEEL HYDE won the 400-meter hurdles in 49.87.
My first one since 2019, but the breeze in the straightaway was very strong, so coming home was a bit challenging. But I must give thanks. Finished injury-free, first one in 2 years.
While Commonwealth champion JANEIVE Russell won the women's event in 54.75.
Well, first today I just wanted to execute the race properly. I wasn't aiming for any time. I just wanted to finish injury-free. I've noticed that my latter part of the race, it wasn't very clean. That's something to work on before the national trial.
Meanwhile, in the field, FEDRICK DACRES won the men's discus with a throw of 62.73 meters.
Well, it's a work in progress. I know that the ultimate aim is actually to medal at the Olympics. So for me, getting back from surgery, I haven't found my rhythm as yet. Today was a good day in terms of conditions and all that. But unfortunately, my body was a bit low because of the early week.
The third leg will be held at the National Stadium next Saturday, June 5. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.